Mom! Invite please, Mom! Okay, I'll invite you if you say Biboo Senpai. You don't get in the game unless you say Biboo Senpai. Really, Biboo? You wanna play, right? No! I've never seen you! Please, Biboo Senpai! Wait, I invited you guys already, FuwaMoco.
Just keep an eye on the top right section.
Anything. I invited you guys twice, FuwaMoco. I pressed the left one.
Okay.
Can God Angel please have an invite? Please, who? Gigi. Biboo. Please, Biboo Senpai. Yeah!
Oh yeah, she said it.
Yeah.
There we go.
I definitely said it.
Yeah, that was Gigi.
I said that.
Yeah, that was Gigi.
Biboo Senpai. Oh, that was yes. I thought that was Gigi.
No, it was Gigi.
I said you guys tricked me.
It was.
Can I have
It was
an
Gigi.
invite, please? Okay. I said it. Sure you did. Whatever. I said